Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, Wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Janet. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. So today is Sunday. I've never ever vlogged on a Sunday, but I'm trying a new thing. I'm gonna try and vlog off my phone. So this is me, cause guess what? The weather is given. So tonight, Sunday night, I think I'm going out on a date, and guess what? I'll take you along with me, because guess what? It's my phone and should be easier. So let's try this thing with the phone. So I'll see you later. I might show you the outfit, who knows. And I drink bag with my face is given. Hi guys, welcome back. It's Monday morning. Look, the sun is giving. I can't even open my eyes. The sun is sunning today. I think this week they said it's going up in the 30s. Anyway, I've got a busy day today. As you can see, I'm going shopping. So first stop is I'm going to the supermarket, to Asda. But next I have to go to the pharmacy to pick up my prescription, and then I need to go to Costco to get some water. Hopefully there's water there, and after that I need to go to IKEA. But in between that, I need to watch the car as well. So now come back on my yard for now. So it's gonna be a busy day. So I'll see you. So the car it's so clean in the inside because my husband did that, and apparently it's my time to wash the car. This time, because I've been slacking and he's been doing it, so it's my time now. So oh god, should I so it's my time now. Anyway, I'll see you. Look at my face, it's so shiny. Wow, shiny girl. Anyway, I've done the supermarket and everything. Now I'm at the 2 supermarkets I went to, and the pharmacy to pick up my prescription. Now I'm washing the car. I'm at the car wash. There you go. I'm gonna get my baby wash. I hope these people wash the car good, you know, because the car wash is full. but at least the car will look better. It was like, ooh, not good. Here you go. So my shopping is gone. Look, it's only wipers on the back seat. That's it. After this, then off to Costco I go.
Yogurt. Next free yogurt now. 199.
Okay, I'll try it. Thank you. Thank you. Nuggets. Sorry. Yay, I got water. Thank you. You too. Oh my god, my face. I finally get some water. I'm so hot. I'm so thirsty. And I'm so hungry. Man, but you know, I have to get the hot dogs from Costco. I'm so hungry, so that's that. The next stop is IKEA, and IKEA is on the way to home anyway. Yeah. That's a good one. So the day is so busy and it's so hot. I mean, we have to complain about the weather because it's not consistent. If it's not hot, it's cold. But when it's hot, it's hot. You've got AC in the car, but you don't have AC at home, so. Anyway, let me just continue eating and then I'm on my journey. My hair needs to come out now. She's going wild. I'm gonna see you later.
Welcome to IKEA. It's cute.
I just finished IKEA. Lucky I don't have any passengers because look, the car is overload. Bless me. God, bring me safe back home, please. Thank you. I'm so hot. Look at me. I'm flustered. Flustered. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another day of the vlog. Today is Tuesday. I'm walking to class. Look, I'm rocking my Antigua and Barbados hat. It's Barbuda. Antigua and Barbuda. It's my present for my niece Jan. Thank you. Anyway, I'm going to class. The sun is giving today, boy. It's so humid outside now, but inside the house is so hot. Yeah, people say, oh, but you're from Jamaica. So, yeah, I'm from Jamaica. And there's no wind here. It's just sun. At least Jamaica is breezy and windy. Over here is just dry sun. Dry on your body. You saw my face is shiny. Because I have to oil it properly. You know, protect the black girl skin. Anyway, I'm walking to class, so I'll catch up with you later. It's giving, isn't it? Hey y'all, how you doing? As you can see, I just came back from class, and you know what? Class wasn't bad today because we did a math test and your girl, yeah, I didn't do bad. I made some slight, stupid mistakes. But, you know, they're minor and they can be corrected as they were. But I'm like, flipping hell. How didn't I read that? This is like crazy. I'm like, it's like school book error. But you know what? It is what it is. I can't go back on the past. So while on my journey home, I did some shopping. So I bought 2 packs of this ice cream sticks, because you know the weather is giving, and it's giving me a cold too. It's giving a lot because even my son has the flu. I'll get some plantain. Do you say plantain or plantain? For me, it's plantain. Plantain. Not no flipping plantain. It's plantain. I'm Jamaican. What do you think? It's plantain. And I got some cookie. 2 packs of cookie. And this girl's got a sweet tooth. I don't know. But you know, I don't know. The body is bodying in it. In it. And I got my buju Ado bread. Trust me, this is the best bread in South London. Buju bread. It's like giving. And my next, got my water bottle, because you know this girl got to stay hydrated, because this girl is running out of water. Can you believe it? And my friend told me about this in Lidl. The washing up liquid. You fill up your bottle every time. This is the refill. But it's not bad, you know. It's what, £1 something. It's not bad at all. The spray photo, my bathroom, and lemon sweetie for the throat. And you know, some lemon, because the weather is giving, and it's giving a lot. It's giving a lot, and it's giving us cold, flu, and all the shebang that we don't want. Because I can't even concentrate, because my throat is flipping killing me. I don't know what to do. It's killing the high. Anyway, do you like my hat? Do you like my hat? This hat is so good for the hair. So thanks to my girl Jan. If it's not Janelle, I keep saying Janelle. If it's not Janelle, it's my sister who gave it to me. But nevertheless, it's from the same family. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put away my shopping. And then I'm gonna make my smoothie for the week because I didn't make it. So let's get cooking. It's not even cooking, but see you. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Hey guys. I'm back on, it's the same day. So I'm back, and as you can see, I'm ready for bed. And I'm not gonna make the mistake I made the other day, because the other day when I was editing my vlog, I could see all the nakedness going on my body, because as I've been complaining all the time, is hot, so we all like have to strip down. But I'm watching the football, England playing, so who knows, hopefully. And I've got my water ready at the bedside to keep me hydrated. This bottle, keep focus, I got it from, you know, when these people giving out free stuff on to sample. So this is it. So when you put the water, it's like recyclable bottle. When you put the water and put it in the fridge, it keeps it so cool. So I'm gonna drink that before I go to bed. But before I retire, you remember, yeah, the day before, that's yesterday. So today's Tuesday. Monday, when I went to IKEA and Costco. IKEA, the thing I was struggling, and let me tell you, I was struggling to get it into the car because I was by myself. There was no help, and I had 6 cases of water and some more things. And this man, he saw me struggling and he didn't even come and help. But it's okay, because I'm so independent. I got it in the car. And this is, if I tell you I put it up, I would be lying. So that's my husband's job, so he did it, and I decorated. Look at it, it's over there with all my stuff. So the black bit at the bottom was the original one that I had, and the white one at the top, that's the new bit. So this is how I trying to, like, what's the word, minimize the things inside the bedroom, because we both have to share this room and we have things, and this is so to keep the space. But I've got some more things I'm trying to think of to put away. Those jumpers and jacket over there, and some more things here. So that's the thing I'm gonna work on next, to think of how I'm gonna put them in the space that we've got here, to keep it like so organized, because I'm a very organized person. I like to find things here. I like to know where everything is. So that's my next update of the room. So what do y'all think? How does that look? You know what, I've got to look at it and I've got to see it, and I like it. I think it's great, but you know, your opinion counts as well. Anyway, I'm gonna retire for bed, watch this football until it's finished, and then go to bed. So good night and see you. Hi guys, Wagwan, welcome back to couple days in the vlog. Today is Thursday, just came back from work. We had to wear white because it is, when I said I'm mourning, it's so extremely hot. The weather is giving what we don't want. It's too hot. You can't sleep at night. You can't do anything. So I just got back from work. I didn't do anything yesterday. Yesterday I just stayed home. And I stayed home all day because I wouldn't dare venture outside because, oh my God, you want to feel this heat. And see, I'm stuffy. It gave me a cold because this is what this weather does to you. So today I was like lagging at work, but I still got the work done. And after work, I went into Zara because Zara has sale. It's like everywhere's got sale. Zara's got sale, H&M's got sale. So I just browsed. I didn't really buy anything because, I mean, that's the first sale. The first sale is not the final sale. So the price weren't pricing for me. So you know what? I'll wait, buy my time, and see what I can get. But geez, the shop was so messy. People were all over it. And you know what? I keep saying about this weather. And I hate when people say, oh, but you're from Jamaica. Yeah, and what? I'm from Jamaica. That means I can't be hot? The weather in Jamaica is different because there's a breeze blowing. Here it's like some flipping made up thing. It's like it's baking hot. Baking hot where you can't even sleep without cover. You can't do nothing more than be showering. And then when you shower, you drink the ice water and then things there. Then you get sick. Anyway, tomorrow is Friday. So it's, thank God it's Friday. You know what, Friday? Although it's not my Friday. It is Friday, but it's not my final day because, you know, I've got to work on Saturday. But you know what? It is what it is. But you know, this girl is parching. I'm so freaking hungry. I hope there's something to eat because I've got a headache. I'm thirsty and I'm hungry. I need a bath and I just need to wind down and relax myself. Anyway, I'll see you later because they said later is greater. Hi guys, Wagwan. It's another day. So is that like better? Today is Friday and this is how I came from work. We could choose any color we want to wear. So now I'm winding down and I just have to, these are my dinners for tonight. So I got these from Costco. It's shrimp fried rice, if you can see. All I've got to do is just warm it in a pan, put some spices on it, and it was good to go. Quick and easy. And I'm gonna fry some of my plantain, But look, I got this from, these are my shopping, my fish and stuff for Sunday dinner. But I got this from Primark. And it's a fold-in storage trolley. I mean, it's a bit on the small side because I wanted a bigger one, but it will do for now. When I don't have the car and I need to go shopping, like walking, I'll take this. But listen to me, I don't know if I'm dumb or what, but it was a flipping struggle to open up, and it was so simple. You just click it on the side and it do like this, I guess. You see, I told you. I think it do like this, and it says lock. If you want to lock, you go like, pull it this way. Okay, it's not that bad. And then lock, pull it that way, and I guess it's locked. And then this thing goes like this. Okay, and then this is the adjustable thing. Oh, it's quite easy. Then you've got this at the back, if you can see. I think it goes up, and if it's full, you can put it at the top and put stuff in it. So this is handy dandy. Look, let me show you on the floor. Just like that. Can you see? Okay. Well, that will do me for now, and I couldn't help myself. I needed a jeans jacket, and you see I popped into Zara. And don't mind those clothes there. I'm gonna take them down. They were drying from the sun. So, as you can see, Zara. So I got this jacket. It was on sale. So I needed a short crop jeans jacket. So this will do. It's so cute. Let's show you. Let me. Yep. Yeah. So today is Friday. Thank God it's Friday. So those clothes, that's there. That's how I'm drying my clothes. I'm using what God gave us, and it's the sun. So I'm gonna take those up, cook some dinner, and then have a bath, chillax, and you know the deal. So if you reach so far in my vlog, thank you for watching. Please press the like button and make a comment, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Hey, see ya.